So hey guys, this is my get ready with me. I originally uploaded it on YouTube, but it got copyrighted, so I'm just gonna do the voiceover for it. But the first thing I'm gonna do is start with my Anastasia dip brow in chocolate, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. First, I'm gonna comb them through, obviously, and then I'm gonna fill them in with my e.l.f. brush. And I don't really have glammed up eyebrows. I just like to fill them in to look naturally more fuller, because the beginning of my eyebrows I have like this little bald spot and I really hate it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my hard candy concealer, the heavy duty one, the Glamouflage, and I'm just gonna put that on an angled brush and put it right underneath my eyebrow, as you can see. And I'm noticing this mirror is getting in the way, and I'm sorry for that, but next time I'll definitely use a smaller mirror for you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, and I'm just gonna pat it down. That's the way I do my concealer. I just pat it down till I blend it out. And now I just got a light shade and I put it underneath my brow to set. And right now I'm showing you my shirt because I'm gonna pick a color that goes with it. This is my Makeup Academy palette in metallic. And I'm just gonna get the orange shade and put it on. And now I'm getting my shadow insurance before I put any eyeshadow. This thing I love because it lasts all day, and I have oily eyelids and it really helps with them for they won't crease up. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that in. And now I'm just getting my natural eyeshadow palette from NYX. I'm just gonna use this light orange and put it in my crease. That's basically all I'm doing because I don't really like a metallic crease. I just like it on the lid. I like more of a matte in the crease. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm kind of showing you. Yeah. So as you can see now, I'm just gonna get my Ofra flat brush, and I'm putting the orange shade, metallic shade, on my lid. And I had a bit of tapes, but then I removed it because the tape wasn't on right and it didn't do it right. So I just blended it out. And now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, the gel eyeliner in Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I do it off camera because I didn't want to mess up and everything, so I decided to do that off camera. And when I come back, you can see I have a winged eyeliner on both eyes. I'm just cleaning up the fallout from my eyeshadow previously, and I decided to use BB creams this time because I've been breaking out on my face, as I'm showing you right now. So I decided to go with two. I used the Vino BB cream, which is really good, and the L'Oreal BB cream for the anti-redness one. And I mixed them together because the Vino one has an SPF of 30, and I really love to protect my skin and all that. So I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques foundation brush all the way down to my neck, as you can see, and it's very lightweight. Like, you can't even feel it on your face. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But yeah, next time I record, I am totally gonna make sure that I have no music on the background for I won't get copyrighted. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys that it's 30 SPF. Now I'm gonna use my Age Rewind for dark circles in brightener. Put it underneath my eyes. I put it down my nose, on my chin, and I believe my forehead. And right now I saw that I had a little bit of fallout and I just cleaned it up. But yeah, there you go. Then I'm just gonna blend it in with my Eco Tools Beauty Blender, which I love this beauty blender. It's amazing. And it's so easy because it's not like pointy. It's more like what you can see, it's kind of like straight, the end of it, and it really helps blend in the eyes and all that, the little corners. But yeah, the first time I did that beauty blending, I got it like, oh my god, I did it so wrong. I just smeared it. I almost gave up. But now I'm pretty good at it. But now I just got my Lorac contour palette, and I got the lightest shade. And I just put it underneath where I put all that concealer. I'm just showing you the comparison from both of those Equal Tools beauty blenders. And now I believe, yeah, I'm going to use the contour from the Lorac palette. It's because I want to bronze up my face and all that. So yeah, I just put it on my cheeks. I'm showing you that I have like that dark, naturally dark area. But yeah, I'm just going to put it all over my face, my forehead. Warm up my face. I'm going to blend it all in. Yep, blend. And now I'm going to do it underneath my jawline and chin. So yeah, that's what I did. And now I'm just going to do a little bit of highlight from the Lorac palette still. And yeah, I just put it lightly on my forehead, on my nose, on my cheeks. And I'm just going to do my eyeliner. It's a Maybelline. And yeah, I'm just like repatting where I put the highlighter. And I have no idea what I'm saying here, honestly. I forgot. Oh, I'm looking for a lip product, right? I decided to go with Anastasia and Heather's. It's a beautiful burgundy red. It's really deep. It's a deep color. But yeah, I love Anastasia lip products, liquid lipsticks. They last a long time. They're not too drying, and they're matte, so it's pretty good. So yeah, this is the final look. I just put my hair down, as you can see in the next clip. My hair looks a little frizzy. The wind is hitting it. Not the wind, but the AC. But yeah, this is the final look. The highlight is very subtle. But yeah. So thanks for, if you did stick to the end. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll do more get ready with me. Yeah. So I keep fucking looking over here. The camera's over here. I accidentally recorded from this camera, then like the opposite side. So I keep looking over here. It's just like a habit. So sorry if that gets annoying. But yeah, guys, till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.